Local news for Wednesday, the 29th of January. Water restrictions in Featherston and Greytown have also been tightened to complete an entire outdoor watering ban for Wairarapa. This follows Martinborough, Carterton and Masterton. The Featherston and Greytown water supplies are interrelated, meaning water restrictions are based on and applied to both towns. The Greater Wellington Regional Council has endorsed an advisory report on supporting electric vehicles in the Wellington region. Climate Committee Chair Thomas Nash says the report shows how it is possible to meet net zero emissions targets by working closely to influence government policy on the key issues of access to EVs, electricity supply and charging infrastructure. And a vehicle left the road near the summit of the Rumitaka Hill yesterday, with emergency services called just after 9 a.m. It's understood no serious injuries occurred. And finally in sport, Hawke's Bay shearer Roland Smith has reinforced his expectation for favourites for the 60th Golden Shears Open title, which is underway in just a few weeks in Masterton. He picked up a couple of victories at the weekends, and we're looking forward to what's going to be a fabulous competition come March. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.